Hello, hello. Welcome to my crafty desk. Today I'm going to make hidden paper clips. I haven't done that. I tried, but I'm not feeling the love for them. But this one I thought, yeah, I like that. It is another little origami project, but I think these hearts are so cute. And they take no time to make. I think um, the reason why I don't make the hidden paper clips is that it just seems like a lot of work and they get quite bulky. But who knows, maybe I'll fall in love with that at some point. But we will do the simple thing today and make these. I'll just show you. See, that's how they go on a page. So I've prepared these little squares. They are, if you do centimeters, they are 8.5 by 8.5, or if you do inches like I did here, it is 3.25. That'll work. I'm not very good with inches, so I'm not doing 16th and whatever it's called. 3.25 is fine. So I want this side out, so I will fold like this first. A fold in the middle here, and then we go the other way and fold like this. Then we take one side and fold to the middle. Like that. Turn it over. When you have it like this, turn it over. And you fold to the middle. Now I'm using this very patterned, so it can be hard to see the middle, so I'll just fold it and then make sure I don't go over the middle here. And then the other side I can do like this. Like that. You can use your bone folder if you want to, or a pair of scissors will work as well. Like that. Then you turn it over again. And you take these sides here, fold them to the middle. I usually make a tiny little gap. It's not exactly the middle, because you know when you fold things over, you know how paper works. Do the other side as well. Like this. That is it. And then it looks like this. you take these corners and fold them into the middle. And the other side as well. There we go. Then you have something like this. Then you take the whole thing here and fold it so the tips meet here. So this comes in the side. And hold this. Give it a good squeeze here. I'll just make sure I have no... Yeah, that looks all right. Just give it a good squeeze. Then you take these, fold them out, and you push this down so the middle here goes along with the line there, like that. Do that on the other side. Like that. Then you take these corners and fold them in like that. And again here. And last, you take the top and fold it down to this line here. That's the fiddly bit here. Like that. So there you have it, a little heart. So to put the paper clip in, I'll use this one. You have these two, you have this open side here and you have a closed side here. So I put the closed side down. I take the small leg of the paper clip and push that into this little pocket here, like that. Then I fold these out and I hold it together. I find this is the easiest way to do it. Hold it not too tight, just loosely. And I take these corners and fold them in behind the big leg here, like this. And the other side as well. Fold it in like that. And that's it. Very simple, but I think they are so cute, aren't they? You can even put a little mini micro tag like this in here, just so it little peeks out there. Isn't that cute? Should we do another one? Just for fun. Let's do another one. again 8.5 centimeter by 8.5, or 3.25 inch by 3.25. Fold it in half both ways. Fold this one side up to the middle. Like that. Turn it over and grab the, well, I'll fold this again because I can never see the middle. Like this. And the other side. Like that. Oops. Turn around. Fold to the middle. And this side. Fold that to the middle as well. Oh, I think I folded this a little bit too far. Let's see, like that. That'll be fine. I want to be very precise with this one. It seems it'll be fine. Fold this side down and this side down. Give a little squeeze here. And then we fold it over just in the middle. Give it a good pinch. And get these up like this. Fold this in. And fold the top down. Like that. And another heart. They are so easy to make, and I'm just in love with them. I can imagine myself making loads of these. But you know what? I know I have loads of paper clips, and I cannot find the box I have them in. So I had to raid my my journals to find paper clips. That is so silly. I have no idea what I've made, what I've done with that box. I know I have them somewhere. There we go, another one. Oops. Like that. Isn't that cute? You know what? I think I will use one here. Which one? That one. Perfect to go over this page here to hold that. Like that. Yeah. That's nice, isn't it? I think they are so stinking cute. I hope you will try to make these. They are fun to make and quick. And I just love the way they look on the page. So that's it for me today. That wasn't too bad, was it? I will see you next time, and I hope you have a fabulous week. Bye.